We just saw a plane fly really low above us.
What Matt missed?
Matt missed it as usual. Matt missed the shot. So we're just seeing if we can catch him on this return
Is that
trip.
a road up there?
Where is he going, Matt?
No, he just went to go do a pass. Where is he?
Or you mean could have landed? There's an airstrip there.
Is there?
I saw another plane there. No, we're not.
Oh, I thought he was doing
Laps.
Where is
No,
he?
there's an airport here.
What happened?
You missed the shot. Yeah, obviously he was landing, not. Look, it's an airport. That was pretty cool. Is that what they call them, an air tractor?
Air tractors. That was cool. What a loser I am.
I concur.
Is that a new trick?
I got my hair figured out now. I just gotta tuck it under my shirt. In the face for another 3,000 miles. 5,000 miles. 6,000 miles. I am getting a good tan. Manitoba farmer tan. How's it going, guys?
It's going.
I know. See, oh, nice shirt.
I know. We all have them on. All of us
yeah.
wore them.
Yeah, well, where's your shirt?
Well, he doesn't have
What about when it fits me?
We might have a
How are ya?
3XL
Good
hiding
to
out
see
of
ya.
one of Matt's other ones when we leave.
When we leave, we'll check it
Hey,
out.
how's it going, guys?
You get a picture?
Okay, make it quick.
Just quick picture?
I haven't eaten breakfast yet.
Oh, did I ask
guys
him?
do
Oh, you want me to take
firefighters,
it?
surveyors?
Construction.
Oh, construction. Okay, we do that.
Yeah, we are.
I hope that works.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jen.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Looking for you on this around today.
Okay, well, there you go.
Oh, here, we'll see if we can get some of the car in there.
Hey, Boston Pizza, you better have lots. Hey, guys.
Hi.
Nora?
Good.
Oh, a little warm.
Doug?
That's my dad,
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Oh, beauty.
2 hours later.
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
Take care, man. Thank you for watching.
How awesome. Look at that. That's awesome.
Here, cheers.
Trade it
Look
up.
at the fleck on the paint. Look at that. That's nice. Look at the sparkles. Mike, see the sparkles?
I like the color of yours more than
Oh yeah, the blue, that is sapphire. They call it a sapphire blue, or
I like your green. I like the green, man.
see, like you
I
just cut
like
out
the
the shock tower. This welds in.
You can hold this.
All the tubular suspension bolts in.
It's so pretty.
The rears are all. Look at the sway bar. Like this thing corners like a go-kart, and you can adjust your springs up and down, so your compression and your compression.
The rebound.
Yeah, rebound. Yeah. So I mean, you can set them. I mean, we got this pretty stiff right now. But, But we're cruising. We're cruising at 120 all day.
So this is supposed
That's-
to be your window one.
Yeah. Well, no, they mounted these here. The original bottle's supposed to be here, but they mounted the horns here. But this is the original refill bottle out of a '64 Chevelle convertible.
See, I got on mine, I just bought an aftermarket.
Market one where you push the button.
No, it's I put it in a different.
Oh yeah,
I just put it over there. And
yeah. And this is
Yeah,
your
just
overflow.
just put an
Yeah.
overflow in.
What's this thing running?
330.
330. So that was like 300 horse, wasn't it, back in the day, or pretty close?
Pretty close.
Yeah. Yeah, well, like I said, you upgrade your suspension. I mean, the motors
Yeah.
are good. They're just, well, I mean, in 60 years, they've come up with a little better suspension. And brakes. Holy, look at that, one brake line.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Hey, see,
That's original.
look,
Yeah.
13-inch front and back. You can lock this puppy up like nothing. We were coming down the highway at 120, and Matt says,
I'm looking at my computer typing away.
He looks up, there's a flagman going, stop. We locked all four of them up. Slid to a stop, right at him.
Yes, it was frightening.
Yeah, but it worked.
And the guy wasn't even mad. He said, yo! What? I was like,
Otherwise, I'd
come
be on the
on.
phone and the cops on you.
Funny and you're
So
like,
See, guys, I'm
yes,
funny.
you're funny.
And
You're
I'm
awesome.
good. I'm
You're
awesome.
You're
Yes.
awesome.
These are my favorite new subscribers. Okay, even though they're
I am a subscriber.
even though they're
Mike.
Mike's family.
What about me? You subscribe.
Oh, you're great too. Yes.
The thing is,
See, we got the matching. Yeah, look. The mother
Did he change
daughter,
your hair?
She did. Yeah, it was
She stole
blonde.
mine.
She stole mine, so I had to wear this. So then I made her wear the first one we
Why
had.
my motor was overheating because all I was doing was circulate through the tanks and not going through the rad. Yeah, because the old ones are up and down. The new ones are all cross flows, but you can't put both hoses on the same side. Cross flow.
You know, there's a learning curve when you restore your first car, right? So he's still working through it. Right, Mike?
Eat this. Eat this. That's good. Look at that. Dual snorkel. Look at that. Ultra high. What was that? Like 10.5 back in the day. Well, that's pretty good compared to what they're running now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a beautiful car. Well, like I'm saying, if you got the time and the money to do the suspension upgrades, it's like night and day.
Yeah.
It's just like,
Like the only thing, like a lot of guys want I want something that I like to drive.
Well-
I don't want to sit it there and look at it.
no, well, the thing is, like I said, this is like driving a brand new car.
Yeah.
It's a brand new car. I mean, and it's money well spent. I mean, some guys will spend, like my kid spent $7,000 on his rims.
Yeah.
For $7,000, I'd rather make my car handle like a new car.
Yeah.
And it's like a 2-day job to do it, and it's easy. I did it, so if I can do it, anybody. You know what I mean? It's Mike-proof.
Those seats are comfortable.
Your dad, you stand on one side of your car, and Mike stands
Those
beside
seats
his
are
car.
comfortable,
Oh,
hey?
they're great.
Yeah,
Like
okay,
they
there
hug
we
you,
go.
man.
Oh,
They
they're
like
great.
hug you. And it's so soft. The leather is so soft.
Yeah, the leather's so soft.
Oh, it's nice.
Here. Okay, here.
How about, sorry.
Matching pair of old men with 64s.
Well, I think you're a little bit younger than me.
What are you, 75?
64 cars.
You're 70.
Oh, yeah, 2 years. Same generation.
Yeah, same generation, yeah.
Pretty little kid.
Oh, I love the paint color.
Come on, come and grab your.
Who wants some pink pants?
Here.
Who wants pink pants?
Okay.
When do you wear that?
Next week
I've
in my
never
meeting in
seen-
Toronto.
Oh,
Hang on.
I was gonna say I've never seen you dressed like that before.
Oh yeah, it's quite the spectacle.
I can't wait.
It reminds me of cotton candy.
It does, yes. Producer's pants. We're gonna go kick some next week in Toronto.
Wait, which one's that one? Oh, that is pretty.
Well, these are ones that we didn't do. These are like cars that we built.
The Dodge Dart.
That was one of the first ones.
Yeah, hang on. Hang on, just seeing if I don't have
Send
a
me your
triple.
email so I can send you some money for this. Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
How come you don't have a radio?
Try it on. Try it on.
You're gonna make me try it on?
Try it on. Yeah.
I gotta put it over top of this one.
Well, if it fits, well
This
then
is
you know
gonna
it's
be
good.
this.
See,
Might,
Mike?
this might be YouTube material right here. Me trying to squeeze into a 3X, right? It's kind of like putting 5 pounds of in a 3-pound bag.
Go ahead.
Here, I'll help.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at those nice quality
Look.
shirts.
Look, that fits.
Oh, yeah, it fits perfect.
Oh, it does too.
Well, it fits. I mean, it's a little,
Just hang it to
don't wash
dry.
it in.
Just hang it to dry.
Hey, Mike, just hang it to dry.
Yeah. Hang it to dry.
Wash and cold.
Mike,
Nice. At least it fits. Well, if I take it, there you go.
Yeah.
It might motivate me to lose some weight.
Well, it's as close as I got.
These
Yeah,
ones are long.
I'm
These
surprised
ones
I didn't even
are
think I would
nice
get
and
it on.
long. Like mine come down like it's.
See mine? That's not yours. That's
I
mine.
gave the blue one.
That one's okay.
I gave the blue one.
Okay.
I gave the skinny one a blue one.
Okay.
We're good.
Yeah, see, that's why I don't have a spare tire.
Right, because you
You want one too?
No, that's fine.
Okay. You'll wear this.
I have to lose some weight though to wear this. No, this is awesome. I like
Nice
it.
color,
I
eh?
love the color. Love
Yeah,
the color.
I love the color. The leather's really nice. So you're taking me for a ride or
No. Feel the
No,
leather.
you
Feel
can't
the
have a
leather.
ride.
On the way back.
On the way back.
I just absolutely love
Oh, I can't wait for you to see it, Gene.
Okay, we
She's
got
gonna be so
got
excited.
it.
I know.
Yeah,
I
that's
know.
good. Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Drive safe.
Take care.
Yes,
Nice
you
seeing you.
nice to see you.
Yes.
Can't
Take
wait.
care.
Okay, I'm not hugging you.
Have a good one. Take care. Nice seeing you again. We'll see you in Red Deer.
Yes.
Take care. What's your name?
Take care.
Christian. Okay,
Like I
cool.
said, Google Speed
Thank you.
Tech.
Beautiful car.
Google Speed Tech. I mean, if
Thank
you
you
want
so much for your time
you want
and
to
hanging
drive
out.
it and enjoy it, and the same thing, you got to get rid of that 2-speed.
Right.
You don't like that?
Well,
Those old two things
Okay.
are indestructible.
So what, when you're doing 120K, what's your motor revving
Oh,
at?
yeah, I know. But I'm
don't
not
drive
doing
that
120.
Okay.
It's just tooting around.
See, when we're doing 120K, 2100 RPM. That's why I can drive this thing 10,000 miles.
Yeah.
Right, but I mean, yeah, if you're only putting around town.
Don't jinx it.
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, don't. No, we need no jinxing going on here.
No, if you're only doing the speed
Yeah.
limit, it's
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah.
But well, what's it do? About $3,000 at 100K.
Probably close to it.
Yeah. Okay, well, you guys have a great day. I'm going to the neighborhood.
Yes.
Yes, make it. Okay.
Drive safe.
Thank you. Good seeing you guys.
Have a good trip.
Mike.
Yes.
Have a good trip.
Yeah, you're
Take-
pretty in
sunscreen.
pink.
Yes, I will. Take care, man. Good
Okay,
seeing
you're
you.
sweating enough. Take it off.
Okay, see you
Well,
later.
if I go to take it off, the other one's going to come and then I'm going to scare everybody away, right?
I want to hear it. Where's your antenna?
So now
You got no antenna?
It's a micro antenna.
Micro lease. Like, is there one in there? No.
No,
No antenna.
I'm kidding.
Oh, you don't. Make me look like an idiot. Thanks.
No, I'm the one saying it's like a micro.
Can you start yours? I want to hear it. Nice. That's awesome.
It's only 300 horse. It's probably about the same power as that one.
Yeah?
But I looked in the mirror and said, Mike, you're building a car for the old man that's looking back at you in the mirror.
Right? That's awesome.
I don't need 500 in this
Right?
one. Well, it keeps me out of trouble.
It's standard.
5-speed stick.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay,
Notice that.
Thank you,
Barber.
Thank you so much for
Thanks for
lunch.
everything,
We got
guys.
the next
Thank
one.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Goodness.
I'm going to follow you through town. 'cause
All right. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
1964 F85. That's the model of the car. It's an F85 Cutlass.
Oh, cool.
That is cool. Following my cousin and her husband and her kid and her kid's boyfriend and her son.
Is that nice lunch?
Yes, nice lunch, Boston pizza. Had a very light lunch, Caesar salad with some chicken. Tell all these guys to keep their eyes on the road. Guys, we really appreciate it, but when you pull up and start filming us and you're swerving all over the road, it makes you look like I'm driving. Just be careful, please. You don't need any incidents or accidents. We're going to Tommy Guns for a shame. We're going to Tommy Guns for a little bit of cleanup. As my grandmother would say, we're going to go even some spots.
Eventually.
Let's see the bottom, like the chin, the neck, and then I still look the same.
Yes. Well, there's hope for me, but there's no hope for
Yeah,
you.
I'm banged out here. Looking rough. Okay, let's continue on.
I'm gonna go see my aunt.
There she is there, probably. See her?
I see Sharon. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, she's
Park here? Okay. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
You don't look anywhere near deaf. How's it going, Jeannie?
Pretty good.
Good to see
Pretty
you.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, so how's it going?
Good.
Yeah, well, you're looking good. Jesus.
Hi, I'm Matt.
They're sending me
Nice to
pictures
meet you. How
saying
are
you're
you?
at death's door, and here you are ready to jog a mile.
Mike,
You should quit smoking. Jeez, did you let your daughter smoke?
Yeah. How's it going, Matt?
good. How are you? Nice to meet you. How are you?
Hey, how's it
It's a
going,
fan.
man?
They're following us around.
Yeah.
Tell your Auntie Jeannie who I am.
Oh, but this is the producer of our show.
Oh. TV.
Once in a while, yeah.
Yeah. That's nephew and cousin. Oh, can I get a picture? Cool.
Hang on a second. Yeah.
Well, I think I'll slip it right away because my
Yeah, well, I can move it up. It's kind of hard getting over the side bolster there, Gene. Like these seats kind of hug you. So there's no shit. This is old school, Gene.
Oh.
Anyway, so hang on. I hope you die of a heart.
Thank you.
You can finish all that?
Me?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna do my best. Oh, look at that. Oh, I want one of those.
Oh, good.
Michael,
Thank you.
thank you. Do you have any napkins? Napkins, Michael.
No.
Do you have napkins?
Napkins?
Mike's gonna throw in some napkins.
Hang on.
We're having problems here. Mike,
Oh, no. Thank you.
is it, you flood it?
No, I was in the wrong gear.
Terrible driver.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, pull
I better
over
start
in the
getting
shade.
Multitasking.
I need to eat this quickly.
Go into the parking lot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Find
Let's
a
go in the
shady
corner like
spot.
a couple, like three little
Let's go find a shady
ice
spot.
cream goblins.
Oh, right here. There's nothing like Dairy Queen. Brings me back to my childhood.
My dad used to make ice cream. Prepare.
Really? We're gonna drop off Jeannie and Sharon. We're gonna grab our bags, and we're gonna head to Dryden, Ontario.
Okay.
We're gonna assume the horizontal position for about 8 hours.
Yeah, well, how many stops are you going to have to make to poop?
Tomorrow's one.
One stop for food tomorrow lunch. Here, hold these. We're gonna swing by garbage can and get a slam dunk 'em.
No, we're in road trip mode.
We're in
we
road trip
operate
mode.
like a clock in the
What do you
morning.
do when you got to poop? You ever the side of the road?
No, in the morning we're good.
Except for this morning because
Instead
we
of
had
the
too much
clock.
steak.